So this is script.js code. So inside this script function is inside this function we are using use strict, which is strict for like if we forgot to type variable or const in any variable, so it will give some error. So right now it is okay, and we are defining first variables here. First is convert type, which is miles initially value. So convert type is here. So type of if this is here miles, and heading is document.query selector h1, which is this, and answer div is this section, and form is this. So document.add event listener, which is the event of the window. If I press M on window or K, so it will add the event to the window, which is when key down means any key you are entering. So function event will be calling. So where key is the variable where event.code means whatever the code of the key you enter, it will store that code into the key variable. So if the key equal to key k means, so you enter the k, then convert type equal to kilometer. So you can see convert type becomes kilometers. So here initially it is miles. When you enter k, I enter k, so it will changes to kilometers. And heading dot inner HTML becomes kilometer to miles converter, and intro section becomes type in a number of kilometers and click the button to distance to miles. Okay, and if M is enter, then convert type changes to miles, and heading becomes miles to kilometer converter, and intro, this is the intro, it will change type in a number of miles and click the button to convert to kilometer. Then when the form is clicked, then we have added the event listener submit. So when I enter 55.6, then the function will call with the event.prevent default, which is preventing it from not reloading again, and var.distance is storing the value of distance. Vipers float document.get element by id distance.value. We can do to fixed also, to fixed to 2. So 55.555, 55.56. So document.get element by id distance.value, and if we are getting some distance, then again another condition, if the convert type is miles. So in this case the convert type is miles, then convert it to distance becomes 1.60 to fix, convert it to miles. So the distance miles converted to kilometers. Answer div, this is the answer div, inner HTML, inner text, and else if converted, if it's not miles means if it's kilometer, then it will show different value with kilometer converted to miles. So else if we enter not a number, then it will just a second. So please provide a number, because the distance is not a number. So that's all about this code, and here you can see how the HTML is defined. This is body h1, div container top p, this is another div, and inside this div there is a form. This is the form, another div, answer goes here, and another p with directions. This is p.